1999 for E350. Today I'm going to change the output sensor. So it's located on the in this end of this transmission. I lift this up a little bit. And okay, let's lift this up. So we're gonna remove this one. This is a number 11. It's a number 11, but 1/4. Small one. A little bit. There you go. So it's a speed sensor. We're gonna wait for the new one. So in the new one, we're gonna install this one, this piece. I'm gonna remove this block. Hello. Alright, so I replaced the bracket. Still this one. There we go. Alrighty. Double check. Alrighty, so let's do a drive to see if we can get the RPMs. Okay.